How this is how we enjoy for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing and review for you guys. Here I'm again with another sneaker. So you can see I have a pack here. Let's take this off from here. Wow, beautiful. Another beautiful looking Puma box for you have guys. So let's see the box is written forever better Puma here. Puma logo, more written, there's only one forever, let's make it better. Okay, some scan barcode for Puma and obviously the sneaker. You can see the model number Flyer Lite 3 ADP, Puma black, Puma pink. So black and pink color, UK 8, US 8, European 8.5 and Argentine 39.5. So different sizes right in here. Without any further ado, let me unbox. Wow, you see, beautiful color combination of this one. How beautiful this one. You see here, texture. If I put more close, the texture, cotton, lovely as a rubberize in this case. Wow, here one line, here another line, and right in Puma logo. It's as a curved inside, here another curved line. Wow, behind you see here right in Puma light. So the sole is very light, high quality, durable for exercising and running. Beautiful here. You see something steel and Puma logo. The Puma is flying, jumping over. I feel much as a rubberized texture. Good grip for sure. I feel high quality material in this case. Behind you see how it is, beautiful. Puma is right in here as well. Here more information about this one. Lovely inside, QR code and other things. You see here the texture over the sole. I put more close with the light. How are the texture? Some dirt. Wow. Two color of sole, white and black in this case, pink shade here and there. Wow, look at this texture in detail. How detailed is as a rubber, no plastic, because plastic will slip. This has a good grip. This is a quality material, original in this case. If you buy something as Primark or Shein type of product, they are not that much good in this case. But look at this material guys. I show you very close this one. Look at the texture. This is another rubber and you feel comfortable at your feet. You see the lace here, Puma branding. Let's see the other one. The similar here, Puma right hand. It's a lovely sunny day here. I'm making video for you on sunny day, so you can go and run this type of beautiful day in the park. Okay, here you see the branding Puma Lite, the texture of the material, beautiful. Can you scan and getting more information? Production is not written, most probably Vietnam, China, Bangladesh, this type of country. They have this type of production. Inside is written more things about the sole. I take out the sole to see more inside the texture, to go more detail. Taking out this from the middle, you see the stitching inside, a white cover. In the sole is written few things, how to take care, something else is written in Spanish, lava a mano, usa jabón neutral, wash with your hand, use detergent or soap carefully, scan for more. So you can scan getting more information. Look at this texture also looks very high quality, bit thick in this case for your feet, lovely. We go more inside, you see how the stitching is comfortable if I put my hand inside. So this is an unboxing of Puma sneaker for you guys, Puma Lite. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.